Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini Lego bomb. So let's get started. Okay, so if you don't know what a bomb is, it is basically just a little bomb on legs that walks around and blows things up. That is also in Mario video games. So this is the bomb right here, and it uses a very illegal technique. Now I'm going to show you how to build it. These are the pieces that you will need, and feel free to pause and zoom in and do whatever you need to do during the video, so you can figure out how to build it. Okay, so the first step is going to be taking this piece, put the two yellow ones on the bottom, and then put that aside. And this one, put one of these flowered ones. It has to be the flowered ones, otherwise it doesn't work. Right around here. So then it should look like this. Now, so for this, I just got two circular stickers and put them on one of these round things. But then you should be able to stick it on here, and then it fits on there perfectly. But that is the very illegal technique part. And then do that on the other two sides with ones without stickers. So it's like this. And take one of the one by ones, it doesn't matter what color it is. And take one of these, put it on top, put the little flame in there. And then the bottom part, stick it in right here. You might need to separate the right and left sides a little tiny bit. And then in the back, another randomly colored one by one. This one, but it's rounded. And then put the crank piece right there. And there you have your mini bomb. Also, here's Disco Batman.